What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to jump into the Dogecoin chart because that thing just went insane. Check it out. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump into this video. Smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, and check us out at daytraderchatroom.com. Also guys, remember, I'm going to leave a link in the comment section. You can test drive trade ideas for 2 weeks this month. I'm going to leave you that link down there. It's only like $8 and you're going to get access to their AI and everything. So might as well take advantage of that. Now let's go ahead and jump into the Dogecoin chart. Here you have the Bitcoin chart, but let's jump on over to the Dogecoin chart. Now guys, remember we talked about these levels to watch on Dogecoin. And if you guys remember when we had this right before this big drop, I think we were somewhere up here. I posted a video and I talked about Dogecoin having a drop down to the mid-teens and to see if it could bounce off of that level. Now, I did not get in on that level because I thought we would get at least a week's worth of bouncing in here between 22 to like 17, maybe 15 cents, right? I thought we would channel out there for a little while, kind of like this channel you see here, all right? This channel that's in the 20 cent and 30 cent area, I thought we were going to get that down here. And I was going to be all over that one. But we didn't get that. We just got, we got like a V-shaped recovery on this thing. It came down here, bang, and it never looked back, my friends. This thing is a monster. All the way up to, this chart says 60 cents, but if you come over here to CoinDesk, it says 61 cents on here. It says this thing has been up 34.66% in the last 24 hours, 11,252% return year to date. What? Oh my God, there's people out there who put in like this little bit of money and they're up tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars on this thing, and they have not booked profits. If it were me, I would book 3/4 of my portfolio right now on this thing. Like my position size, I would book at least 3/4 of that position and just grab that cash and go buy some real estate. I don't know. Liquidate student debt if you have some. I don't know. Remember, you got to pay taxes. I would do something because even if this thing goes to $1, whenever it dumps one day, it's going to be nasty because it's a meme coin. Either way, guys, I do have a plan I'm looking at this time, and I'm hoping I can execute on it because at this point, Dogecoin, you can't ignore it. I've been trying not to ignore it. I've been trying to grab it, but it just doesn't hold levels normally. What is this? Just quick bounce and bounce back up? What? So now what am I looking at? You might ask. Well, very simple. The level I am looking at on Dogecoin is right here. That level. You can see right here clear as day, it was the all-time high previously, and there was resistance recently. And not until we broke through that 45 cent area did we make that move to 60 cents. So now, if I can get a low volume pullback back down here to the 40s, I will begin to open a new position on Dogecoin. It'll be a starter position, and I will add on dips down here to 35 cents if needed, but I will cut it if it breaks underneath that. Okay, that will be what I will be looking for, and I'll be looking for some consolidation for a while before its next test of the 60 cent area. Now, do I think that 60 cent area is going to break again? I have no clue. This thing, it's its own little weird world where nothing makes sense, and it's kind of like, remember that movie The Wolf of Wall Street, the Fugazi? That's what this is. But I'm going to trade it if I get the opportunity to get a nice safe entry, and I will make money along the way. Now, will it be kind of like that life-changing money that some people got down here? No, but it'll still be some nice money on the win because I'm not going to be insane and go in there with an obscene amount of money at 60 cents and then get a 40% haircut on it. If I wanted to do that, I'd just go to the casino and have some fun. All right. So that's what I'm watching for support on Dogecoin coming out of this new extension. As you can see, last time I had a crazy extension like that, it pulled in and started to flag on the daily, and then it went right back up there and tested those highs. So maybe we get a similar type of effect here on Dogecoin if it doesn't just go crazy. Next, let's go ahead and jump onto Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin, here are still the lines that we drew on the last video I did on these cryptos. I put this line down here at 43,000. Remember that? And we hit it right there, almost to the penny. And I've set this line up here and said this would be resistance. We bounced clear off of that and went right to that $60,000 mark as resistance. What an obscene move, guys. The bounces on these cryptos is amazing. I would have to be insane to think that we're going to enter a bearish market in crypto in 2021. I think this market stays bullish at least until the fall season, if not extensions through the fall, and maybe not signs of a bearish market until sometime next year. Crypto is scorching hot right now. I would not discount a possible pullback back down here to 40,000 on Bitcoin. I think that's still very possible. But for Bitcoin to come down here like 24,000 or something this year, I see it highly unlikely. Could be horribly wrong, could be just rambling. But the reality is that we are still very strong in this bullish market on the cryptos. Ethereum itself is insane. But let's finish up with Bitcoin. Here, we got Bitcoin down here at 44. I would say look for it to channel out between 60 to 44 before we make a move towards the 70s. And then on Ethereum, now I did grab some Ethereum at 1600, and I do have some old Ethereum from back in the day, so I'm up nicely on that one, and I'm still holding strong, looking to add on dips. Let me find you the Ethereum chart. Oh, Ethereum with the move up over 3,500. Amazing. I'm in this one from down here in the $1,600 area. I bought this dip, so that was a nice dip to have bought, and I'm very happy with that. I will look to add to it if we do get down here again. Now, levels to watch on Ethereum in the foreseeable future, right there, 2,500s for sure. And definitely this $2,000 area. 1900s, you got previous support here off of that bounce, previous resistance here, and some support in here. All right, so that's the area I'm going to be watching on Ethereum. Ethereum's at all-time highs. I mean, $4,000 or $5,000 per coin is not unreasonable at this point with Ethereum. This is the strongest Ethereum's ever been, and I think it's just starting to cook, right? I think this one's just starting to get hot. So I'm definitely going to continue to keep it on watch, and I will be looking to add on dips on this one in my little portfolio on these cryptos. Now, these are long-term holds for me, all right? These are not day trades or short-term swing trades. These are long-term holds on Ethereum, on Bitcoin, and on Litecoin. If you want me to do a video on Litecoin, let me know, and maybe I'll go ahead and get a shot at doing that one. But for now, these things are insane, and I'm keeping them on watch, all right, and looking to add to some of these, and maybe open new positions on some others, like Dogecoin. Smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I upload my next video, and I'll catch you on the next one.